Crashapalooza this weekend. It's that Dirt Dudes event that I'm going to be going to. My buddy Troy, he's the guy who rode the quad with me a few times on a couple trips. That's going to be fun. We're going to be camping. I'll get some more footage on the way up. We'll see you guys there. We are loaded up and heading north to Twisted Trails Off-Road Park for the Dirt Dudes Crashapalooza 5.0. Super excited. I got my buddy's quad in the back. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but we got that loaded up. It's pretty tight with my tailgate and the trailer, so hopefully it'll be fine on the way up. We'll see you guys up there. We're gonna get there, set up camp today. I don't know if we'll be riding at all today or not. It should be a good time overall. See you up there. So we officially made it here last night to Crashapalooza at Twisted Trails Off-Road Park. What was that? Rock on? Yeah. Troy had a fun night last night. His daughter's having a good time too, doing some ripping on the little quad. There she goes. So yeah, they got a group ride at 10 o'clock. Hopefully we're gonna attach to that and check out the park. See you guys on the trail.
I'll just back down. Well, then it like shifted right towards this. I'm like, oh, great.
You need help? You're good. You're good.
Not really.
Goat.
Oh. Your hitch is catching real bad. Huh? Your hitch is catching real bad. Pull it out. There. I should have probably went up this way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Why would you even attempt to do that?
Two side spinning.
You got it.
Good? Good? I'm smiling. That's so much fun.
Insane.
Oh,
At this point, I was lined up with Blair Miller, who had won his last few events he was at, so it was going to be a fun little race.
He's gonna kick my ass. There's a small. Give me one of many. Don't feel stupid. This is literally the first time I've ever raced. Oh yeah, that's a bad draw. So I can only go up from here, right? Yeah, exactly. He's kicked my ass 6-7 times. Don't even feel. rolled it.
What happened?
I just caught one of the ruts. I caught it and it turned my wheel. And that was wild.
You need to clean your pants out over here?
Oh, just about.
That's why it is weird.
Oh, we're about to get soaked.
Yeah, I told you, it's coming. That water, I'm sure, is nice and stagnant. Make those turns.
Jump it, jump it. Oh,
Yeah, this one's gonna be a get the
Yeah, he He's got his turn signal. But the thing is, he won't be able to like flip it forward because
Well, you'd be surprised. He's hitting that stuff pretty hard.
he's got like 5 goes.
yeah, faster.
Like holding onto the car.
Wait, this is wrong. This is supposed to be out.
That was probably when he was riding on 2 wheels.
Anything else you'd like to share with the camera?
The entire machine is broken.
Or whatever you believe in. Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah. We had a great day today, lots of fun, lots of riding, got some racing in, so hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to be chilling out by the fire for the rest of the evening. We'll see you in the morning. We are headed back from Twisted Trails from the Dirt Dudes Crashapalooza 5.0. It was a really good time. Got to do a lot of stuff I hadn't tried before. Got to rip around Twisted Trails, which was pretty fun. Got my first race in, so that was awesome. We stayed there from Thursday until Sunday today. I just came back from Mass, and now we're packed up, loaded up, heading over to Cadillac. I'm gonna grab some lunch and then head home. This is always the worst part, is heading home. So see you guys in the next one. I might include some more unloading clips, I might not, but if not, see ya.